Every make money online video promises you can do it for free, but almost none of those videos mean it, but this one does. You've probably watched a few videos on the topic. You know how they go. Someone lists 10 business ideas, a minute on each, and by the end you know the names of those 10 things but still have no idea how to start an online business, because the creator doesn't mention the tools, subscriptions, and ad spend that show up in week 2. So here's the deal. By saying free in this video, I literally mean $0. If something costs money, I will say exactly what and how much. I'll be honest about how long it actually takes to see results. The two types. Every online business has to balance between these two, speed and money. You can't have an online business that will start bringing you the huge profits from day one and be completely free. Category 1. Free but slow. Here you have freelancing, affiliate marketing, tutoring, and content creation. Freelancing and tutoring are probably the most straightforward. You offer a skill or knowledge on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Preply, and people pay for your time. Content creation means building an audience on YouTube, a blog, or social media and monetizing it over time. Affiliate marketing means earning a commission when someone buys a product through your link. All four are free to start. No credit card, no subscription, nothing. But here's what a lot of people don't mention. Building a client base, growing an audience, and getting consistent traffic to your affiliate links, all that takes time. It usually takes 3 to 6 months of consistent effort before the income feels stable, and for content creation or affiliate marketing, often longer. These models work. They are free, but definitely not fast. Category 2. Low cost, much faster. 3 models in this category: print on demand, dropshipping, and selling digital products. In here, things get more interesting. The last 2 are both available through AliDropship. So let's go through all 3 of them. Print on demand. Here you upload designs to a platform like Printful or Printify, connect it to your store, and when someone places an order, the platform prints and ships it automatically. No inventory, no upfront stock. But what about the cost? First of all, you pay for the printing service for every fulfilled order. On top of that, Printify and Printful aren't free. Sure, there is a free basic plan, but if you want a serious income, you will have to use a higher tier plan with more features. And just because the base product cost is higher than regular dropshipping, your margins end up lower, usually from $5 to $15 per item. It works as a side hustle, but between the platform costs, printing fees, and thin margins, the numbers are tighter than they first appear. Dropshipping with AliDropship. Now, dropshipping means you sell products through your own store and the supplier ships them directly to your customers. You keep the margin, typically from 15 to 40% per order. No warehouse, no inventory to manage. With AliDropship, you get a plugin for a one-time payment of $89. That's it, no monthly fee. The plugin connects your store to AliExpress, lets you import products in one click, and sync everything automatically. Stock levels, prices, product details, all updated in real time. You set your own pricing, choose your niche, and run the store your own way. One thing actually worth mentioning, because this option is more hands-on. You will be building and designing the store yourself, which gives you full control but also means you need to put in the work upfront. It's a better fit if you are comfortable figuring things out and want to own every part of the setup. If that sounds like more than you want to take on, the digital products route we will talk about next. It's a one-time investment that gives you a fully functional dropshipping store, and because you are sourcing from AliExpress, the product range is enormous. Pretty much any niche you can think of. Margins on individual orders typically run from $15 to $30, and the store getting a few orders a day can realistically reach from from $30 to $80 a day within the first 60 to 90 days once traffic is working. The main effort goes into product research and getting the right people to your store. Selling digital products with AliDropship. Okay, now about digital products. This one works differently, and for a lot of people, it's actually the faster path to first income. You start with a 14-day free trial. Full access, store built for you, products already loaded and ready to sell. A personal manager guides you through everything from day one. After the trial, it's $39 a month to keep the store running. What you get for that $39 is a complete hosted online store, product catalog, order management, and all that in one place. Digital products, guides, toolkits, templates are delivered instantly after purchase. No shipping, no supplier delays, and margins are actually higher than for physical products. And if you want to grow faster, there are options to add more. A built-in ad system lets you run campaigns starting from around $10 a day, and there's also a $14 ad coupon included when you sign up, so your first campaign costs you actually nothing. You can also add more products from the catalog, upgrade to unique store designs, and access dedicated marketing tools as your budget grows. You only pay for what you actually need when you need it. Within the first few days, your store is live and you are getting familiar with the dashboard. Week 1 and 2, first sales start coming in. And by the end of the first month, you have real data and a clearer picture of what's working. It's not overnight, but it's genuinely fast compared to building something absolutely from scratch. Where to start? If you have time but no budget, freelancing, tutoring, content creation, or affiliate marketing are all solid starting points. Pick the one that matches what you already know or can do and commit to the timeline. If you have a small budget and want faster results, the low-cost options are worth a serious look. Print on demand if you have a creative angle, the AliDropship plugin at $89 one time if you want to run a physical product dropshipping store with full control, or the digital products route with AliDropship if you want everything built for you and a clear path to first sales within weeks. All the links are below. Take a look, try the free trial and see what fits. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.